A pilot of Universal Health Preparedness Review was undertaken in Sierra Leone by the World Health Organization in 2023 as a game changer that will help the country to rectify the preparedness gaps in both the Ebola epidemic and the COVID-19 that caught the world unprepared, in which Sierra Leone experienced significant loss of lives. As a result of this experience, and in order to prevent them from reoccurring, National Director CISMAT Sierra Leone, Reverend Paul Brahima Bangura, reaffirms the need for preparedness in Sierra Leone in order to prevent other pandemics.
The advocacy meeting and also gathering PPR stakeholders, we call Pandemic Preparedness Response stakeholders, is to begin a conversation that will ensure the inclusion of civil society and community people in preparing for pandemics. So that was why we invited them to come and discuss and find a way how we can work together. Because whenever we have a pandemic or an outbreak, it is the community that suffers, So whatever it is that our government want to do in terms of preparedness, we want to see an involvement of the community, civil society, as we work together and push forward. Well, the Ebola outbreak, the recent COVID-19 outbreak, we have seen that governments were not prepared. Like I used to hear one of the ministers in those days saying, we were not prepared for this one. It just came like this.
Stakeholders present talks on their roles and mandates in advancing national pandemic preparedness and response in their institutions.
To secure the health of Sierra Leone through evidence-based and timely, multidisciplinary prediction, prevention, detection, and response to public health threats and emergencies. This agency was built on the following core values: ethics and integrity.
That is why all those during the COVID period, we lost a lot of patients. They were afraid to come to the facilities. They were in the communities.
The engagement aims to enhance CSOs and community space to partner and collaborate with pandemic preparedness response actors to create a spear pandemic preparedness and response vision that integrates health equity, human rights, climate justice, and gender equality. Yero Jalo, AYV News, Freetown.